Hey, what's up? John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So I got a question today about theme development, WordPress theme development. I know a lot of you are interested. There's a lot of money to be made in WordPress theme development, surprisingly, and WordPress plugin development. So this question is from Cossack, and he says, I want to develop my own WordPress theme from scratch, but I can't find any organized resources for learning WordPress theme development. And I also want to know do I need to learn any extra things for developing WooCommerce themes also? Please suggest me some best resources for my needs. So I was thinking about this, and something came to me, a subscriber to this channel who has the resources, finally get a chance to plug his stuff. His name is Tom, and he has a site called wpwithtom.com, and he basically teaches you how to do WordPress theme development. How cool is that? So I'm glad to be able to plug that for Tom, and he's a really great guy, and I'm sure that he can help you out. So I would highly recommend going over there. So the other thing I would say is that there's a book that's called Professional WordPress Design and Development. This is the book that I've seen recommended the most on the subject. I would check out that book. You can get it on Amazon here, Professional WordPress Design and Development. And then finally, my advice would be to look at existing themes. So a lot of the WordPress stuff that I've learned about theme development and how to create themes, and I'm definitely no expert in it. Go to Tom's site for the expertise on that, is just looking at themes, just looking at the code and seeing how they developed them. A lot of times when you want to figure out how to do something, especially, it's great with WordPress because you can see the code, right? It's not hidden from you. So you can learn how to do plugins. Most of my PHP knowledge that I have, as I learned how to write PHP code, I have to say, is from looking at WordPress plugins and themes and modifying them. That's what it came from. So that's going to be your best overall resources, just to look at it. Take something, a simple theme, and go through all the code. That should be my suggestion. And take the time to understand how and why everything is in there. How is everything working? Every line of code, go through it and make sure you understand what it does. And then go through a second theme. It's going to take you a long time. It's going to be difficult to do. And then go to a third one, and maybe increase the complexity of the themes. And if you do this, if you go through like 2-3 themes and you go through this, I guarantee you're going to understand how it works. You're going to have a very good understanding. Like I said, go to WP with Tom as well and check that out, and he's going to help you out. He'll hook you up. I'm sure he'll leave a comment below and talk about what he can offer you and maybe give you some advice as well, since I know that he watches most of these videos. So that's what I think about that, and hopefully you'll find that useful. If you've got a question for me, just email me at john@simpleprogrammer.com. If you'd like more videos like this one, if you'd like advice on career, personal development, getting fit, whatever it is, improving your life in some way, click the subscribe button below, and I will talk to you next time. Take care.